Manipur Police today observed its 133rd Rising Day at the Manipur Rifles Parade Ground. Commandant of 3rd IRB Sarangthem Hemanta led the march of 12th contingents as the parade commander, while Minister Thongam Beswajit graced the function as the chief guest. As a part of the event, the DGP Trophy for Best Battalion 2024 was awarded to 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion, while 2nd Manipur Rifles Battalion received the 2nd Best Award and 5th Manipur Rifles Battalion received the 3rd Best Award. Meanwhile, the DGP Manipur Trophy for Best Police Station 2024 was conferred to Imphal Police Station in Imphal East District. Jiribam Police Station and Churachandpur Women Police Station received the 2nd Best Award, while 3rd Best Award was conferred to Patsoi Police Station and Bishnupur Police Station. DGP Award for Best Police Officer 2024 was awarded to SIL Sarjubala of Bishnupur District Women Police Station and SI Vashum Meena of Ukhrul District Women Police Station. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Thongam Beswajit praised the diligent efforts of Manipur Police and urged the public to support police in maintaining law and order in Manipur. He also commended the efforts of Manipur Police in eradicating poppy plantation in the state as part of the War on Drugs campaign. On the other hand, DGP of Manipur, Rajiv Singh, highlighted that a total of 11 police personnel of Manipur were killed over the past 1.5 years, while many sustained injuries. The state forces have been working around the clock to recover the arms that were looted from the security forces, as normalcy will only return if the weaponization of society is reduced to a large extent. He also appealed to the public to help the police in maintaining the law and order situation in Manipur. Ministers, MLAs, civils, along with officers of Manipur, of police and central forces attended the event.
Ngasi akhoi Manipur police haibasi sahi cham kunthau shure 500 numbers ki manungda leramba port ngasi 40,000 ki mathakta hena akhoi strength si hengala kugal lunena yamna difficult oiba situation da akhoi ngasi enforcing agency habis da akhoi ngasi tuan section kya hai mahagi leramba bonga singa phajate aphapan tawada yamna hejen bamongda kanabsi makhoida duty of discharge tawna bogarabada akhoi pikhiba pawagi manungda mi phaba adu force daba adu madubu control tawna bogarabada tawkibu mayam oigani odu masi pura maksingsi hena cooperation bibiraga hena ko sanaba hena apne cooperative oina tabuk tawna changi habasi ma ikona cooperation bibun thoi habasi ma ai
The new 3 criminal laws have also been implemented during the year: the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. The Honorable Chief Minister had announced the implementation of the 3 new criminal laws, and we have conducted various awareness campaigns on these new criminal laws to police personnel as well as public. 1,000 weapons during this period has been recovered, and there have been various 81 bombs, 823 hand grenades, gelatin sticks, safety fuse, gunpowder, plus various other recoveries have been made. As a part of war on drugs, the state police has been making all-out effort to prevent the abuse and illicit trafficking of narcotic drugs. 651 acres of poppy plantation and 10 acres of cannabis have been destroyed during the last 1 year.